Hey guys, JC here. This is the first time I do one of these recap videos, so bear with me. I was a member for a short period of time, and I've been studying and watching um, all the recap videos from Andrew and all the members, which have been very helpful, at least to me. So I thought I would share my trades today and see what you guys think. So I was watching Facebook pre-market, especially with the negative news they got last night. I saw it hovering around here. This is all pre-market around the VWAP. That was my train. My thought process was to see how it was going to behave around VWAP. So it went above. By the way, VWAP is this blue line here. Right before market, I saw it tanking pretty fast, and then a few minutes before open, it recovered. But then I saw that it rejected the VWAP, so I took a short right a few minutes pre-market. I was gonna give it some room. I know this stock is a little bit expensive and it's volatile. It can move, so I was giving at least a $2 stop on this. But I thought it was gonna fade most of the day. So this was my entry. Like I said, it was moving up and down here aggressively the first 5 minutes. Then the second 5 minute bar, when it was completely full at this point, that gave me a good signal, good confirmation, and definitely with this one was a nice big red bar. So I held it. My target was, I believe it was the previous day low. Yeah, so yesterday, which was like low 192s, hopefully like 192 flat was going to be my target. I held it. I trade small size, so it's not something I was very concerned about. I don't trade heavy size. I was gonna give it some room. To this point, it kind of fairly quickly. I mean, considering it moved over a dollar. I think it was at some point I was like $1.60 profit. So I cover my position right here. I just thought it was I didn't want to held for the around the 10 a.m. reversal. So I cover right here. I felt good about it. It was a nice trade for me. Then I was watching some other stocks. I was actually watching oil, and then I was paying attention to it, and I remember some of Robert's videos on the ABCD pattern. And to me, it kind of was like an inverse ABCD. The A point right here, B, C. I was actually watching it right here to see if it would come close to the VWAP right here. So I kind of liked it. A, B, C it came here. So I was watching it for on this bar to break the low of this previous 5 minute candle, and I took the entry. So it was actually a great entry. I was about 55 cents in the money profit on this up to this point, and then this 5 minute candle closes a doji. I didn't like that much, so I set my stop at break even. Actually, I think I got a 2 cent profit or something, which is nothing. It's about flat. But I think it was a good try based on the catalyst news that they were negative. I thought it was going to continue. I mean, it ended up going all the way to the 50 SMA. It's reversing, but I mean, it's choppy and it's going to be a short day, so I didn't feel like holding it. Um, I I felt good about it. I mean, especially with this pre-market trade, um, that was a nice profit for me. So just want to show you guys what I was looking at the for the price action to see how it was behaving around VWAP pre-market, and then I saw these somewhat inverse ABCD pattern that was forming. I gave it a try. Maybe I should have scaled out a few when I was about 50 cent profit, but my target was the low of the day, or hopefully the 192 the really low 192 as I originally intended. But I mean, I feel good that I gave it a try. I recognized the signals and I respected the stop. So I just want to show you guys the trades I had today. Hopefully it helps. Give me some feedback, leave some comments, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.